In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter big picture mode in Steam. If you want a more console style experience while using Steam, big picture mode is a great feature to know about. It gives Steam a full screen interface that's easier to navigate, especially if you're using a controller or viewing your PC on a larger display like a TV. The good news is that turning it on only takes a moment. To begin, make sure Steam is already open on your computer and that you're looking at the main Steam window. Once you're there, go to the top menu bar and click View. This menu contains a few display and navigation options, and Big Picture Mode is located there. After clicking View, look through the drop-down menu and select Big Picture Mode. As soon as you click it, Steam will begin switching away from the standard desktop layout and into the full screen interface. You'll then see Steam change into Big Picture Mode automatically. The screen will take on a larger, more streamlined design with bigger buttons, simplified menus, and controller-friendly navigation. This is especially useful if you want to browse your library, launch games, or change settings from a distance without needing the regular desktop view. If the transition takes a second, that's completely normal. Steam is simply loading the new interface. Once it appears, you can start navigating right away using your mouse, keyboard, or a connected controller. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that Big Picture Mode is designed for comfort and accessibility. So if you find the regular Steam layout a little too small or cluttered, this mode can make everything feel easier to manage. It's also a popular option for players who use Steam in a living room setup, and that's really all there is to it. Open Steam, click View, choose Big Picture Mode, and Steam will switch over automatically. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference in how you use the platform, especially for controller-based gaming or full-screen browsing. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to enter Big Picture Mode in Steam.